Hello students, I am Dr. Kamlesh Sisodia and I am going to give you a summarized note of herd mania, as we have already studied through various videos all the different systems, and to PDF we have come across all the details. Now let's come to the systematic position of herd mania. Animal of phylum Chordata. Urochordata because of the caudal structure in the tail. Then class Acidiaceae, bag-like structure. Subclass Pleurogona. Order Stolidobranchia, and genus Herdmania. Now when we come to the geographical distribution, again there are many varieties, species, but from the 12 known species, 4 of them are found in Indian Ocean. They are Herdmania pallida, Mauritiana, Cylonica, and Anurensis. Now coming to the habits and habitat, the animal is exclusively marine, solitary and sedentary, ascidian. Shape is laterally compressed and somewhat oblong, bag-like or potato-like, some for a colloquial use. Appearance just a bag potato size, 9.5 cm, 7 cm broad and 4 cm thick. They may be a bit bigger also, but generally this is the size, average size. Now the external features, in the external features we know Herdmania is generally divided in 2 parts, body proper and body foot. So this pinkish animal, which is when it is young, it is pinkish, but it turns to yellow brown when it matures up, can be divided into 2 body parts. Now in the figure, branchial aperture, atrial aperture, these are the 2 siphonic structures through which it ejects water, and because of that they are also called sea squirts. And at the lower end is the foot, which through which we know that it sticks to the rocky bed of the sea. Now when we come to test or tunic, that is the outer covering, it shows, when we remove that test or tunic, it shows soft body part, leathery translucent jacket is the outer covering, whereas when we go down, remove it out and then see the animal, the TS will show gelatinous matrix, corpuscles of 6 to 7 types like Eosinophilus, amoeboid corpuscles, then vacuolated corpuscles, receptor cells, branched nerve cells, interlacing fibrils can be seen, blood vessels, and spicules of different types can be seen, which may be small or big type. Now these are the shapes of different cells that can be seen in the mantle, body proper. You can see different shapes, blood vessels and spicules. All these you have already studied previously. Now coming to the mantle or body wall, histologically the mantle is made of outer epidermis, mesenchyme, inner epidermis. So from the left side you can see the left part of the liver, the left side of the gonad, like this. Okay, so from the left side we can see the 2 siphons, branchial aperture, atrial aperture in the siphons, stomach, intestine, rectum, chocolatey left liver lobe, left gland, endostyle. From the right, you can see the two siphons again, the neural gland can be seen, right liver lobe, pericardium, right gonad, and the endostyle. Now the section of the body shows atrial cavity, pharynx, mantle, and chest. Coming to the alimentary canal, the alimentary canal is coiled and complete, made of mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, intestine, rectum, cloaca. And among these, pharynx is the most developed part. Digestive system also includes digestive glands, which are liver and pyloric gland. Now, relation of branchial siphon, branchial force, peripharyngeal bands with groove, esophageal area, dorsal lamina, and endostyle. These all work in coordination for the activity of digestion. Now, Herdmania. These are the pharynx which is most developed, and it shows prebranchial zone, branchial zone. Now, respiratory system of Herdmania, it simply takes oxygen which comes along with water, and through gases exchange, oxygen is taken in and CO2 is given out. Since the tunic has blood vessels, so it enables gaseous exchange. Even in vascular trabeculae, which is present in atrium, gaseous exchange occurs. Now, the blood vascular system of Herdmania, I had already given 2 videos on this, and this blood vascular system includes heart, pericardium, blood vessels. Blood is slightly reddish in color, and the most important thing is that it has the capability of extracting vanadium from the sea water. This is the structure which we have already studied earlier, and you can see all the related structures of digestion along with heart and blood vessels. Pericardium is cut open to show the attachment to the heart. This blood which is bit hypertonic, it has different types of cells. This is course of blood circulation from dorsal aorta, branchiovascular visceral organs and test, cardiovisceral vessels, heart, test, and the because it is not having a very good nervous system, it has nerve fibers originating from the nerve, from the brain, a ganglionate area which is called the brain of Herdmania, and they are anastomosing in between. आपस में ये गुथे रहते हैं. The structure is quite simple. Brain consists of bipolar and multipolar nerve cells and nerve fibers. 3 nerves generally arise from the brain. Branchial siphon gets 1 and 2 nerves go to the siphon. So this is simple nervous system of the Herdmania, where you can see the nerve ganglion and the related fibers. Then the sense organs include tangoreceptors, rheoreceptors, receptors. Besides them, even branchial tentacles check water, and dorsal tubercle also checks the smell and taste of water. Now the reproductive system, it is hermaphrodite animal but protogynous. Protogynous means the 2 gonads don't mature at the same time. यानी ओवा और जो स्पर्म है दोनों की मेच्योरिटी एक ही समय पे नहीं होती है, इसलिए सेल्फ फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होता। जनरली वाटर में क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है। गोनैड्स जो है वो एट्रियल कैविटी में है और फर्टिलाइजेशन एक्सटर्नल है। टीएस गोनैड इस तरह से दिखाई देता है, जिसके अंदर टेस्टिकुलर जोन भी दिखाई देगा और ओवास भी इसमें दिखाई देते हैं। लेफ्ट गोनैड को ये देखा गया है ओवम और स्पर्म का स्ट्रक्चर। ओवम जो है इसका 0.3 मिलीमीटर डायमीटर का और जो इसमें 3 लेयर्स पाए जाते हैं, मेम्ब्रेन, इनर कोरियन और आउटर कोरियन। फर्टिलाइजेशन हर्डमैनिया का बाहर, जैसे मैंने बताया आपको, सी वाटर में होता है, एक्सटर्नल होता है। डेवलपमेंट हर्डमैनिया का होता है और एक लार्वा पाया जाता है जो टेडपोल लार्वा है। इसका भी मैंने आपको वीडियो दिया हुआ है। तो इसके साथ ये रिवीजन ऑफ हर्डमैनिया इज कंप्लीटेड। थैंक यू।